Hi everyone, I'm Gracie.
And I'm Mariah.
And we're with Eden Point Lifestyle Center. Today we're going to be making a Splendid Drink, which is basically a salad blended up.
Hence the name Splendid.
And it's an easy way to get your veggies in. So let's look at the ingredients we're going to need.
We have 1 green onion, a stalk of celery, half of a yellow bell pepper, 1 cucumber, a small head of romaine lettuce that has been chopped up, and a slice of purple cabbage.
And over here, we have juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of miso paste, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 of an avocado, 1 cup of pure water, 1 handful of cilantro, and 1 handful of parsley. So now we're going to add our ingredients into the blender.
We're going to be starting today with tomato paste. Tomato paste is an economical alternative to organic tomato juice. Also, we don't need to remove the bitter seeds as we would in fresh tomatoes. Next, we have a clove of garlic and some miso paste. We're using miso paste that has been made from soybeans. This product is an excellent source of probiotics and B vitamins. It can be found in most health food stores. And some salt.
Now we're going to add our green onion and our stalk of celery and our yellow bell pepper. And if you notice, we're leaving the seeds in because they have a lot of nutrients in them and it doesn't affect the flavor of our drink at all. And then we have our red cabbage, which has anti-cancer properties in it, and our romaine lettuce, which has a lot of chlorophyll and other vitamins and minerals in it. And then last but not least, our cucumbers. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in our herbs and our avocado, our lime juice, and our water. And now it's time to blend.
Now we're ready to taste it. Cheers. I really like that.
It definitely tastes better than it looks. Alright, so you saw how easy that was to make. This drink is loaded in nutrition and it's great for people who are trying to lose weight because it's low in fat and very filling.
The recipe will be in the description box. If you try it, let us know how it goes in the comments section below.
And subscribe to our channel where you'll find many more videos like this. Bye!